guys, welcome to the adventures. I figured I would do a Trucker's Kitchen, cooking in the cab kind of edition because it's been a few days and I know there's a whole bunch more subscribers and it's always good to go over the basics. And so this is my number one go-to. This is my electric skillet. It's getting a little worn, but I think we've had it now for 18 months. And so I've had lots of different ones. I've had some really expensive ones like the Paula Deen one that was cheaper, but in all reality, they all only last about 2 years and then they start to just get the ring in the bottom and stuff sticks to them. So just stick to like the Walmart or the Amazon special. I do have an Amazon store, so click down in the description if you want to make it easy that you can just get some of the things right off of there. But how we store this is I just throw an old towel over top of it, put all of the stuff together in here, the element, some grippy stuff, and then I put the lid upside down, and then I just take this bungee. I know it looks a little crazy, guys. I take this bungee and I put it just like this, and look, you can flip it all around, it doesn't move, and I put it right up here on the shelf. And so there's a little tiny lip there and it helps it stay right in place. And secondary is going to be my instapot air fryer, and I love this. This definitely has made cooking go really quick and easy. And so these are my two go-to things to cook food. And then we love our Lagoon table. It is helpful to cook. So you saw that's how I usually cook when Scott's driving. It goes here and then we move it right here to do dishes, because right underneath is our sink system. Ta-da! Yeah, so this bucket pulls out like this, goes right up on top there, and then when we have the sprayer. And so it is just a little 12-volt pump that we can plug right in. It goes to an old hot water heater that we had. If you guys have watched for a while, you guys know that we had the hike crew, and we love the hike crew. It was amazing, but unfortunately it was just not built for being in the semi. And so all the thousands of miles, which we do about 5,000 miles a week, all that bumping up and down on the road kind of wore it out, and it just wasn't working as well. And it was propane, so we just felt like it wasn't safe to continuously have it in the truck. That addition, now we want to try to find some other things and we're going to work on it. So until then, we just took the pump out and just use a sprayer, and it has been really helpful. And then we just have those big storage waters, so that's about 12 gallons of water that we used to do dishes, cook with, and drink out of. So then I also did 2 recipes for you guys. So I made some rabbit pot pie and then also some stuffed pepper casserole.
Every day is a mystery. Every day we wake up and we can breathe, taking off to live our lives, not spent behind a desk. You can find me outside. I'm at home in the trees, in Oregon's waters they call the hot springs, traveling down I-5. Not sure where I'm headed, but it will be just fine. On the road is my home. Don't need a place to go. On the road is my home. Wherever I roam is where I belong. Day at a time, try to keep the hope and speak what's on my mind. We are meant to love, not be all mad and decide to break stuff. Open up my blinds, I wanna see something different every single time. Don't need to find nothing to do, just embrace these moments that be coming through. On the road is my home. Don't need a to go. On the road is my home, wherever I roam is where I belong. On the road is my home.
You guys, I hope you really enjoy it, and encourage you guys to cook in the cab. You don't have to do super fancy things. It can be quite simple. Prepping ahead really is helpful. We eat almost all farm to fresh food, and so we get it straight from the farm and put it right on our table, and we have found that it really helps our health. It helps us stay healthier on the road, and then also it really helps that dreaded weight gain. Both of us are able to maintain a healthier weight by eating high quality food and just staying healthier on the road. So you guys, I want to encourage you, get out of the truck stop, save a ton of money, and cook in the cab. Your health is going to be muchly improved. All right, you guys enjoy the adventures. Bye.